How to fix mobile data not working on your Android device? Well, if your mobile data is not working on your Android device, you'll have to immediately toggle on and off your airplane mode multiple times. So swipe down your notification panel from the top right of your screen, and then you can see flight mode icon right here. You want to toggle this on and off right away. And in my case, I'm using Wi-Fi, but if you are using mobile data, that will enable and disable along with the Wi-Fi as well. That just refreshes your network. Now also you want to enable that mobile data is enabled, and you can also long press on it. Now I do not have SIM card here, so I'm unable to show you here, but you can also head into settings. Once you head into settings, you can see connections, head into it, and from here head into mobile networks or data users option. If you head into data users, if you have enabled data saver, toggle that off as well. And also you can find mobile networks, and you can proceed to reset your network operators there and access point names. However, the other option what you can do is you can simply proceed to head over to the SIM manager option and make sure the mobile data is set to the working SIM and that you have network available on your SIM so that you can use the mobile data. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.